Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today on the Countdown to Christmas series. We are on project number 21 today. Moving right along. So today I'm sharing these little mini red cardstock Christmas cards. So, maybe you don't want to make the large size of cards and you just want to give, a little smaller version of a card to someone. These are really cute and can put them together fairly quickly. And so I'll go ahead and show you the ones I've got here. So I've used the red cardstock, the 65-pound from Michaels I picked up, and I think it was cranberry red. And yeah, so that's the one I've used. And the cards measure 3.5 inches wide by 4 inches in length. And they open this way, like this. So this is the first one I'll show you here. Is I used an embossing folder with kind of a pretty background of leaves and maybe berries on there. It's kind of a Christmassy one. Did that in the white, and I put that on the red cardstock with tear and tape. And then I used my punches and punched out some scallop circles and layered those up. I put some 3D foam under this one here to pop it up a little bit. Added a pearl for the center, and it says peace on there. And then on the inside I just added a little piece of white paper to write on. I just attached it at the top with some tear and tape. Because of the cardstock being red, it's nicer to write on the white paper, and that was just some computer paper, so that's easy to get a hold of. So that's the first one, and then here's the next one. It says Mary on there, and I've used the same embossed background for this one. It looks pretty in the white. I added some silver and white ribbon to that one. A little banner that I cut out. I added some snowflakes and a die cut that I did that says Mary on there. And so that turned out really pretty. Let's see, here's another one. This one I used a different embossing folder with this kind of, what's it called? Baroque, I think it's called. No, that's not it. I forget the name of the background, but it's very pretty. And use that on kind of a wood grain kind of paneling paper, and then stamped the word joy with a snowflake in the center there. I also stamped this little kind of pine leaves, and then added some little berries with the gemstones in the center there. So that looked really festive. Here's another one that is got the embossed background again on some patterned snowflake paper. And just use my stamps here, and Merry Christmas on that one. And then I stamped a snowflake and just put a little of the stickle on there to bling it up a bit. So really simple. And this one looks a little more vintagey with the holly leaves and berry paper on the background there. Added a little stamp scallop underneath this other rectangle that I die cut out and stamped Merry Christmas on there. Just added a few little white snowflakes that I punched out and stuck those on. So that looks really nice. So those were kind of fun to make. And then also I made some envelopes to go with them. And I used my envelope punch board to do that. And some of these I did just out of the solid colored paper. So that was the red cardstock again. This one, obviously a print. It says Merry Christmas on there. A solid green. And like that. And then this one is a little print with some pine leaves on there. And it's got, I think it's got the words to The Night Before Christmas, but it's very faint, so you have to look hard to see what it says. But yeah, those are the envelopes. So it's kind of a fun little project if you like to make cards and envelopes. So I will go ahead and put a little card together for you and make an envelope so that you can see. Okay. Bye for now.